Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'll show you how to send gifts in Evony game. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Evony game. Then tap on the three horizontal dots. Select Friends option. Select a friend or search for the friend that you like to send gifts. Now tap on the profile of your friend. Tap on Details at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select Send Gifts option at the bottom of your screen. Then select an item you'd like to give. To send gifts to other players on the same server, you'll need Royal Way builds. You can find them in the item sections on the special tabs. If you have got no royal build, you won't be able to send gifts to anyone. And that's it. Thank you for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.